Hi everyone, it's Anna from the English room. There's a saying in English, April showers bring May flowers. This is because there's often heavy showers in April in the UK. 1 minute it can be bright and sunny, the next rain and sometimes even snow. Let's take a look at some ways to talk about heavy rain in English. Look at the weather, it's pouring down out there. Yeah, but it's probably just a shower. It's pouring down means it's raining heavily. You can say it's pouring down outside, but there's also some more verbs you can use. For example, it's throwing down outside. Or with friends, but not your boss. You can say, it's pissing down outside. Let's take a look at another example. Are you okay? Not really. It's throwing down outside, and I'm on my bike today. I'm going to get soaked. By the way, soaked means very wet. Thanks for listening, and don't forget your umbrella. Visit us at www.theenglishroom.de.